Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to finish a project that I started at the end of 2019, Yuna's Nirvana staff from Final Fantasy X. Let's get started! For everyone playing along at home, here's a material list of everything I used on this project. While researching this project, I came across Firecloak's tutorial on how she created her staff. She also made a PDF blueprint too. I will have her page linked in the description. I wanted to make the top of this staff detachable for easy transportation and storage, so I sacrificed one of our old paint rollers. For the base of this project, I glued together 3 EVA foam floor mats. After the pattern was transferred over to the foam, it's time to cut everything out. Once everything was cut out, I used my handy dandy Dremel with a flex shaft to sand everything. After I was done sanding, I used EVA foam clay to fill in the larger gaps. To recreate the wings, I used EVA foam clay. Now let's put this all together. I used my heat gun to seal everything. Before painting, it's time to prime. I used Nirvana FFX primer. I used a wide variety of acrylic paints for the staff. When I paint, I start blocking out all my colors first. While wet, I go back through and I blend them together. If you are enjoying this video right now, could you do me a small favor and hit that like button? And if you really like this video, consider possibly subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your continuing support. I wanted to give the Nirvana staff a more magical look, so I went over it with color shifting paints. off camera I made the gems for the staff. To make the beads, I used 2-inch painter's tape and a straw. I got the idea from Fire Cloak's tutorial. The bow was made a little bit different than how you would tie a shoes bow. I know the ribbon isn't exactly 100% accurate, and neither are the beads. I don't really strive for 100% accuracy when it comes to recreating the props I make. It's good enough for me, and that's all that really matters at the end of the day. Well, here we are. We've made it to the end of another video. Thank you so much for joining me on this project. Now let's check out the final piece.